Across the country, many people are gearing up for a possible new COVID surge as the Omicron variant spreads quickly. It's now been detected in at least 19 states, including Florida. Thanks for joining us for Fox 4 News at 10. I'm Jane Monreal.
I'm Patrick Nolan. Fox 4's Lauren Moss with the info on Florida's first reported case of this variant just a couple hours to the north of us. Lauren?
Yeah, that's right. That case was just in Tampa, and it's been confirmed by the CDC. To explain more for you, I contacted the senior medical director of Florida Blue. Dr. Kelly Tice says this is how viruses act. They mutate as they spread from person to person. But she says the good news is tools like the vaccine protect us against the virus.
All evidence currently suggests that being vaccinated and receiving your boosters when recommended still protects you from severe illness.
Dr. Tice says research will continue to allow us to learn more about the variant. Its impact is unknown because so few people have been diagnosed with it.
We've only seen it in a small percentage of the population thus far. So, what impacts it may have on the more vulnerable really remains to be seen.
She says the best approach is the usual hand washing, mask wearing, and keeping your distance from others. She says the new variant should be taken seriously, but is nothing to panic about.
While it is a cause for concern, it is not a cause for alarm. Okay, the same things that we've been doing to protect ourselves throughout the pandemic still apply.
I asked some folks in downtown Fort Myers what they think about this new variant now showing up in Florida.
I've been vaccinated and boosted, so I feel like I'm doing everything I can to protect myself. Yes, I think the whole thing is scary.
Others say the arrival of Omicron in Florida is different, in their view, compared to its arrival in the States with tighter pandemic restrictions.
It's not going to change the way that we should live our lives, and I don't think Florida should fall in line with those states where it does.
Dr. Tice predicts more people will be willing to get the vaccine because of the Omicron variant. She says we saw similar trends when the Delta variant was dominant in the summer. Lee health officials say they've already seen an increase in demand for the vaccine. Officials say last week, Gulf Coast Medical Center saw its highest volume of vaccinations since May. And officials with Florida Department of Health say they're, quote, ready to respond. They say they're not just focusing on one solution. They remind you they're providing Floridians with monoclonal antibody treatments and the vaccine.